Now, let me show you how you can remove search history on your iPad. So, for example, if we're talking about the Safari web browser search history, we can go to the settings app of our device like this. And if you are in like this section, for example, in a general, make sure you swipe down on the left panel, go to apps and find Safari from the list in here. So you might need to scroll a little bit, but you find Safari. And if you scroll through the options, you will have the ability to clear history and website data. And as you can see, this includes the search history as well. So if you click on it, you can see that if you want to apply it or clear it for just today, last hour, or all of them, and so on, and you can click on a clear history, and this applies to all of the searches made through the Safari web browser. So that's probably something you want to do. Outside of that, if you mean the search on your home screen, you know, the spotlight search in it there, you can also control it when you go to the settings and in the left panel, click on a search and decide that you don't show the recent searches. Because if you do, then you also kind of keep the history of the things you looked up, because right now you'll be able to notice that the recent searches are going to show below, but if you disable it, it is no longer going to be the case and it just doesn't show up in there. So that's how you can prevent it from happening. Now, just let me know in the comments below if you managed to clear the search history that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.